Welcome to Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over equivalent fractions. Now, equivalent fractions are fractions that have a different numerator and denominator, but represent the same value. For example, if I take 4/8 and divide it by 2, numerator and the denominator, I then get 2/4. Although they look different, they represent the same value. Or I could multiply 4/8 by 2, and I get 8/16. Again, 2/4 and 8/16 and 4/8, although they look different, represent the same value. Let's see what this looks like visually. Okay, at the top here we have 1. We have a whole piece. Right below it, it's divided into 2 pieces. So we have 1 of 2 pieces here, and we have 1 of 2 pieces here. So for the whole, we have 1/2 plus 1/2, which equals 2/2. So you can write the whole as 2/2. So now let's go below this, and we've divided it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each section, we have 1 of these. Now, if you look at this section, notice that if you add them together, you have 1/4 plus 1/4, and that equals 2/4. Okay, this fraction looks different than 1/2, but it represents the same distance, the same value, the same thing over here. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. So this could be written as 2/4. Now let's go down here, and we've divided it into 8ths. So this is 1/8. This is an 8th. This is an 8th. This is an 8th. Okay, etc., etc. Okay, you got it. Now, let's go all the way up here, and notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4/8. So this could be written as 4/8. 1/4 could be written as 2/8 because you have 1, 2. Notice that they have different numerators and denominators. Numerators and denominators different, but they all represent the same value. In this example, let's look at just 1/2 of the circle. This side, 1/2. With this circle, it's written as 1/2. Below it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4/8. So it could be written as 4/8 here. And on this side, we have 1/4. We have 1, 2. Could be written as 2/4. Again, different numerators and denominators, but represent the same value of half a circle. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember, kindness multiplies kindness. Be kind to someone today.